And there was some good news from today's news conference conducted by the Corpus Christi COVID-19 Task Force. According to Task Force Director Chris Bird, after Christmas, they project a steady decline in COVID cases, barring any unforeseen event. Now, during the briefing, Dr. Bird outlined some of the expected numbers.
We have a bit of good news, which we haven't had in quite a while, and that's that it looks like the transmission rate is sustaining itself below 1. And when the transmission rate's at 1, it means that the level of COVID infections stay approximately the same in the community. When we go below 1, that means that COVID is declining.
Now, Dr. Bird says the fall wave of the virus has already peaked and believes that following the holidays, the COVID rate will slowly go down. Dr. Bird also said that he believes there won't be any more rollbacks in business capacity. And we are currently at phase 3, which means businesses are generally operating at 75% capacity and bars are operating at about 50% capacity.